Hey everyone, this is ICEPOOF, and today I'm going to be completing the Stank Rat Challenge for Interchange. The rules are, you need to be in a rat spot, you need to have dead PMCs, you need to put a cheese spread, so AI2, your loot needs to be 42 kilograms, and the unscreened converting exfil. Let's get it. This is one of my favorite spawns. I'm going to get to turn on power so bigger loot comes out. I'm going to be very quick to get to Intercom extract, which is my favorite extract place to camp, and I'll be able to turn the car away. Also, there's chances of getting graphics cards over here. No vehicle to buy, so I'm going to save some money. Sheesh! Let's hit power, set the trap, and get moving. We're about to see a stash runner, and I have a quick little conversation with him. We have our quick little discussion, decide not to fight each other, and I move on. This next part is going to be a fast-forward running montage, if you want to skip ahead. I drop my bag and crawl into position. So our first customer is about to arrive. He's a player scav, so he's not going to count towards our tally, but I think you'll like me tearing up his legs. Very quickly after we engage the player scav, we have my entry into the PMC kill tally. So I'm going to grab my bag, get over here, drop my cheese, start looting. But we had some other players show up. Let's play. Two down, one to go. I would like to ask for forgiveness from my fellow rats for what they're about to see. At this point of the raid, I don't know if there's another guy watching over, so I'm going to do a quick little heal up the main organs, fix some broken limbs so I can run out without killing myself, and just sprint to extract. And there you have it. 46 kilograms. Easy. Lightweight even. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Would really enjoy it if you would subscribe for future content like this. And remember, aim for the legs.